Sure your sunglasses and eyeglasses are always clean. The new Carbon Clean Peeps, they're designed specifically for cleaning eyeglasses, sunglasses, and reading glasses. This thing is actually super cool.
This is the best thing ever. It never scratches or damages your lenses. No messy sprays or dirty cloths, because you know we hate those. The brush is there to wipe off any debris that you may have, and then the other side, it'll clean every nook and cranny right on your glasses. It's simple, it's easy, and it works.
So we're bringing you space-age carbon technology in the most sophisticated glasses cleaner you've ever seen. Inside the cap is a recharge station. So you see that little surface, that little horizontal surface in there? Every single time the Peeps go back into their cap and come back out again, it actually recharges the carbon molecules right here on the microfiber pads, so you're getting a fresh, cleaning surface every single time to keep your lenses super clean.
Peeps lens cleaner.
Okay.
So this will actually clean the eyeglasses. This is one of the most popular products that we have. We're in over 12,000 practices right now. You use the brush first to get everything off the lens, then you simply clean the lens.
Safely and easily clean your glasses with Peeps by Carbon Clean. See what you've been missing with Peeps by Carbon Clean.
Nothing bothers me more than smudges on my glasses. That's why I love Peeps Premium Carbon Lens Cleaner. What I love about Peeps is that it's safe to use for my lenses. It never scratches or damages them. Before Peeps, I cleaned my glasses with the corner of whichever shirt I was wearing. That usually left either more smudges or even small scratches. I did this because it was convenient, but with the compact design of Peeps, I can bring it in my pocket and clean my lenses wherever I go.
I got these amazing Peeps sunglasses cleaner that clean off oily fingerprints, smudges, dust, and even facial oils. The first step to using this product is you open up the brush to remove any debris. Step 2, use tongs to wipe crystal clear. The product cleans every nook and cranny and is also a pocket-sized design. I love these because you can clean your glasses over 500 times and also never scratches or damages your lenses, which can happen from when you use like a t-shirt or a cloth. So definitely go get yourself your own Peeps.
When my glasses get dirty, I use Peeps. Peeps is a very easy and compact glasses cleaning kit. There's a brush, a quick and easy way to clean off the debris. As you can tell, one side's still dirty and the other side's clean in a split of a second. I usually use a cloth to clean off my sunglasses and it takes forever. Both sides are clean now. Now if you really want to get into it, there's the tong, which helps clean the nooks and crannies of the sunglasses if you want to get every inch of it. There you go. As you can tell, the glasses is brand spanking new. No messy sprays or dirty cloths. Not a scratch or damage on your lens.